Question number 40. Which of the following animals is an egg-laying mammal? Egg-laying mammal. A, opossum. B, kangaroo. C, duck-billed platypus. D, whale. Yeah, of course, it is the duck-billed platypus. Yes. He said here, egg-laying mammal. And egg-laying mammal, actually, they are known as monotremes. Monotremes. And they have only two, there are three species living all over the world now. Okay, one is the duck-billed platypus, and the second are echidna. Echidnas. Only two species, and one species of platypus, and both of them are in Australia. Then we have marsupials. Okay, marsupials. And marsupials have 282 species only all over this planet Earth. And also they are in Australia, such like opossum, such like kangaroo. Okay, so opossum and kangaroo and the koalas and wombats. Okay, wombats, sorry. And the remaining are known as eutherians. Okay, eutherians are, yes, they have actually two, we can categorize them into two groups. We have terrestrial, placental mammal, and we have marine placental mammal. The marine placental have three species. Three groups. Okay, and terrestrial placenta have 9 orders, if we can say they are orders, and here we have 3 orders. So total is 12, and all of them has to be kept by mind, and we covered this before in our previous course. It cannot be primate, and many of the students mix it up actually, because the primate is one of the groups of the terrestrial placental mammals. So here we have primate. It is an order called order primate, and all the primates have human. And what came to in the exam was the monkey. Yes. And in the exam, he said primitive. Primitive. The primitive means less advanced, and the less advanced is the monotremes. Why? Because they are still having some of the characteristics that are still found in the reptiles. Okay, reptiles lay an egg, and all of the rest of the mammals, they are not egg laying. So there are only 3 species. Okay, so they are primitive. So primates are not primitives. Primates are the most advanced thing in the mammals. Okay, that's why it should not be mixed up, but many of the students not reading the questions properly, and this is a disaster, to be honest. In the exam, he said primitive. Primitive are monotremes, while the primates are the most advanced. They are advanced. Not only advanced, but the most advanced. Okay, they have the human. Yes. Question number, this is the answer as I just mentioned.